Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mariano Rodriguez Alvarez, and today we're diving into something that I'm super passionate about, making money while you sleep. That's right, we're talking about passive income, and the best part is you don't need to drop a dime to get started. We're going to unlock the secrets to building wealth even while you're catching those Z's. I used to think passive income was some mythical creature, but let me tell you, it's as real as the keyboard I'm typing on. If you're new here, make sure you slam that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos about achieving financial freedom. Let's get it. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's like having your own online sales force without managing inventory or shipping. Partner with a company, promote their products using your unique affiliate link, and earn a commission for every sale. It's that simple. Choose the right products. Pick something you're passionate about and your audience needs. Think about the problems you face in your own life. There are probably hundreds of products out there designed to solve them, and chances are other people are struggling with the same things. Find those products, become an affiliate, and start sharing your genuine enthusiasm with the world. Once you've got your product, it's all about getting the word out. And no, you don't need to be a social media wizard to make this work. Start a blog, create engaging social media posts, or even just tell your friends and family about this awesome product you've discovered. The beauty of the internet is that you can reach a global audience with the click of a button, and with affiliate marketing, you're essentially getting paid to share your thoughts and recommendations. Pretty sweet deal, right? But here's the thing, guys, honesty is key. Don't promote something you don't actually believe in just because it promises a high commission. People can smell BS from a mile away. Be authentic, be genuine, and provide real value to your audience. That's how you build trust, and trust is what converts into those sweet affiliate sales. Now let's talk about some hot affiliate marketing niches that are basically printing money right now. The first one that comes to mind is the make money online niche. Ironic, right? But seriously, people are always looking for ways to boost their income, so if you can find a legit product that helps them do that, you're golden. Another goldmine is the health and wellness space. With so many people focused on their physical and mental well-being, there's a huge demand for products that promote a healthy lifestyle. Think supplements, fitness programs, meditation apps. The possibilities are endless. And hey, if you're passionate about a specific hobby or interest, don't be afraid to niche down even further. Whether it's gaming, photography, or collecting vintage stamps, there's an audience out there for everything. The bottom line is, affiliate marketing is a low-cost, high-reward way to generate passive income. So, find your niche, choose the right products, and start sharing your affiliate links with the world. You might be surprised by how much money you can make while you sleep. Now let's move on to another killer passive income stream: selling digital products. This is where things get really exciting because you're essentially selling your knowledge, skills, or creativity. And the best part is, you only have to create it once. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always come to you for advice on? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding ninja, or a master chef. Whatever your skill set, there's a good chance you can package that knowledge into a digital product and sell it online. Ebooks are a classic example. They're relatively easy to create, and they can be sold over and over again without any additional effort on your part. If you've got a knack for writing and a story to tell, or if you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your wisdom with the world in the form of an ebook? But hey, it's not just about ebooks. The world of digital products is vast and ever-expanding. You could create online courses, templates, presets, stock photos, the list goes on. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. There are tons of user-friendly platforms out there that make it super simple to create, market, and sell your digital products. One of my favorite things about selling digital products is the scalability. With physical products, you're limited by inventory and shipping logistics. But with digital products, the sky's the limit. You can sell an unlimited number of copies without any additional overhead costs. That means more passive income flowing into your bank account while you sleep, travel, or just binge-watch your favorite Netflix show. And here's another pro tip. Don't be afraid to get creative with your pricing. You can offer different tiers with varying levels of access or bonus content. You can also bundle your products together to create even more value for your customers. The key is to find what works best for you and your audience. Remember, the beauty of passive income is that you're building something that works for you 24/7, even when you're not actively working on it. So, put in the effort up front, create a high-quality digital product that provides real value, and watch the passive income roll in. Chapter 3. Free Tools for Financial Freedom. Now I know what you're thinking, Mariano, this all sounds great, but what about the tools and resources? Don't I need to invest a ton of money to get started? And the answer is a resounding no. In fact, some of the most powerful tools for building passive income are completely free. That's right, free. First up, let's talk about Canva. This amazing design platform is a game changer for creating stunning graphics, social media posts, ebook covers, and so much more. And the best part? They have a generous free plan that gives you access to a ton of templates, images, and design elements. No more excuses for boring visuals, my friends. Next, we've got Google Analytics. This free tool is like having a personal detective for your website or online business. It gives you valuable insights into your audience, their behavior, and what's resonating with them. This information is pure gold when it comes to optimizing your content, attracting more traffic, and ultimately, boosting your passive income. And of course, we can't forget about the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are completely free to use, and they offer an incredible opportunity to connect with your target audience, build a loyal following, and promote your passive income streams. The key here is to be strategic and consistent. Don't just randomly post whatever comes to mind. Take the time to understand your audience, create engaging content that provides value, and post consistently to stay top of mind. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even leverage social media to build an email list. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, build relationships, and promote your products or services. Remember guys, building passive income doesn't have to break the bank. There are tons of free tools and resources available to help you get started and scale your business. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, experimenting, and most importantly, taking action. Chapter 4. YouTube, your gateway to passive income stardom. Speaking of free platforms, let's talk about the big kahuna of passive income, YouTube. That's right, the very platform you're watching this video on right now can become your ticket to financial freedom. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mariano, YouTube is saturated, isn't it too late to start a channel? And to that I say, absolutely not. There's never been a better time to start a YouTube channel because guess what? People are consuming more video content than ever before. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality content that people actually want to watch, and be consistent with your uploads. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the rewards can be life-changing. Think about it. Once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can monetize your channel through ads. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. You can also explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. But here's the thing, YouTube is about more than just making money. It's about building a community, connecting with like-minded people, and sharing your passion with the world. If you can do that, the money will follow. So, what are you waiting for? Dust off that camera, brainstorm some video ideas, and start filming. You never know, you might just become the next YouTube sensation. Chapter 5. Print on Demand. Merch without the headache. Last but not least, let's talk about print on demand. A fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce without the hassle of inventory, shipping, or upfront costs. It's like having your own online merch store without lifting a finger. Here's how it works. You create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. Then, you partner with a print-on-demand platform that handles everything else, from printing and production to shipping and customer service. You simply upload your designs, create your product listings, and start selling. The best part? You only pay for the products when a customer places an order. No more stockpiling inventory in your garage or dealing with the headache of shipping logistics. It's truly passive income at its finest. And here's another cool thing about print on demand. It's incredibly versatile. You can create designs for any niche, interest, or passion. Whether you're into fitness, gaming, travel, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for your unique creations. Plus, with print on demand, you have the freedom to experiment with different designs and products without any risk. You can test out different ideas, see what resonates with your audience, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, if you're looking for a low-cost, low-risk way to start selling online and generating passive income, print on demand is definitely worth checking out. Start building your passive income empire today. There you have it, guys. 5 incredible passive income ideas that require zero investment to get started. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right mindset and a willingness to take action, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life of your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Choose one of these passive income ideas and start building your empire today. And hey, while you're at it, drop a comment below and let me know which passive income idea you're most excited to try. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and keep dreaming big.